second graders, and welcome back to another day of listening and learning with Miss Catrone from Citizenship Academy. Now, as you know, each day we have been learning about the amazing human body. We've learned about things like the digestive system, which is all the organs that work together to break down the food that we eat. We've also learned about the excretory system, and that is the group of organs that work together to get rid of waste or toxins in our body. Now, today we're going to be learning about Nick Nutrie's favorite thing, which is nutrients. Do you guys remember what nutrients are? They're the things that our cells, our bones, our bodies need to grow and move and be healthy. So we're going to learn all about that today. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you to start so you can look at the pictures with me. Alrighty, here we go. Nutrients. What do you eat? Why do you eat it? Why do you eat? Is it because certain foods taste really good to you? That's surely one reason why I eat. I cannot imagine my world without the taste of a fresh bowl of vegetable soup or mint chocolate chip ice cream cone in the summer. You also eat because you get hungry, right? Your tummy grumbles and complains if it hasn't been fed for a long time. But what is the main reason you eat? At last, Nick Nutrie's chance to talk about my favorite topic, nutrients. You eat because you need the nutrients that food provide to stay healthy. If I'm looking here, I know that vegetable soup is probably very nutritious. You're getting vegetables. Soda pop, probably not very nutritious. Ice cream, probably not very nutritious. Grapes, those have good nutrients. Let's find out a little bit more. We've talked a lot about nutrients in previous lessons. You know that your blood carries around nutrients to all parts of the human body. Your digestive and excretory systems filter waste from your body and send nutrients back to your blood. Your cells need nutrients to stay alive. Your tissues need nutrients to function properly. Your organs stop working without the right nutrients. And if your organs stop working, your body systems might stop working too. Remember that cells are the tiniest building block that build up the human body. Remember, we have millions of them. So nutrients help keep those cells healthy. You know what nutrients are good for? But what exactly are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment necessary for the growth and health of an organism. Providing the body with nutrients it needs is an essential part of staying healthy. Essential is a word for necessary, so it's a necessary part of staying healthy. So how do you get nutrients? Yeah, from the foods that you eat. Nutritionists like Nick Nutrie think of the body as a chemical factory. What is a factory? It's a place or building where things are made. We learned about that when we did the westward expansion. Everything you eat is made up of thousands of different chemical substances. The ones that every healthy body needs to stay alive are called nutrients. All right, here are some examples of basic nutrients. Everyone needs 4 basic nutrients: water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These nutrients come from different food sources. It is up to you to choose the right foods to supply your bodies with the proper balance of water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the best food choices for maintaining a healthy body. First, let's start with a glass of water. Let's start with a nutrient that is familiar to everybody: water. Water is perhaps the most important nutrient of all. It is necessary for all of the body's functions or jobs. You cannot live for more than about a week without water. Did you know that 2/3 of your body is made up of water? Water is part of your blood. It travels in and out of your cells to help dissolve other nutrients, carrying them to all of your tissues. Water is a necessary part of the excretory system, making up most of your urine. Water helps break down your food so that solid waste can pass from your body. Water even helps maintain your right body temperature. When given a choice of what to drink, water is always the healthiest choice you can make. It is up to you to constantly refill your body's supply of water. You need between 3 and 6 cups each day, but not all of your water needs to come from a cup. We have sources of water in different foods. Did you know that many foods contain lots of water too? Grapefruit, watermelon, tomatoes, cucumber, and lettuce are all good choices. One way to tell whether you are getting enough water is to check the color of your urine, or pee. It should be practically colorless or clear. All nutrients supply your body with energy, but the body's main source of energy comes from carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are found almost entirely in plant foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, peas and beans, potatoes, rice, and pasta are good choices for carbohydrates. Milk and milk products like ice cream and yogurt provide the body with carbohydrates and protein. Cheese has only a few carbohydrates. So all of these things are good sources of carbohydrates. Next, we have protein. Protein is a bodybuilder contained in all body cells. It is necessary for your body's growth and development, building muscle and helping to repair cells. It's easy to see how cells outside of the body, like hair, skin, and nails, renew themselves, isn't it? Each time we cut them, they grow right back. The body makes its own protein, but it needs help from foods. Good sources of protein include meat, fish, chicken, eggs, milk, and beans. All right, so we've learned about some nutrients so far: water, carbohydrates, and proteins. Do you guys remember what the fourth one I said earlier was? This one's fats. The fourth nutrient that your body needs is fat. Butter, margarine, and oils are good sources of fat. Today, many people are overweight, so it may seem strange to you that I am telling you to include fat in your diet. But your body does need a certain amount of fat. Does anybody know why? Do you know why your body might need fat? Like if I put oil on my salad dressing? Well, for one thing, fat is necessary for the development of your brain, especially in the first few years of your life. When you looked at your skin cells under a microscope, do you remember seeing the layer of fat cells? A thin layer of fat underneath your skin acts like a blanket, providing you with insulation or protection and warmth. Fat stores energy in your body and helps keep your skin healthy too. So you see, fat isn't an important nutrient, but you only need a very small amount of it. Your body can make most of its building blocks from carbohydrates and proteins. After about age 2, you need to be careful not to eat too much fat because that might cause you to gain too much weight. So far, you've learned that the body needs 4 basic nutrients to grow and stay healthy. What are they? Great. We know about water. What else? Carbohydrates. Very good. Proteins and fats. Great job. There are not only nutrients your body needs, there are other important nutrients that are also essential to life. Remember, essential meant necessary. So these are the 4 main ones, but our body needs more than that. They are called vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are made from living organisms, and minerals are from non-living substances found in nature. Your body needs less of them, but you don't get enough vitamins and minerals. But if you don't, you can become sick. Long ago, sailors lived on a diet of only biscuits and salty meat when they were out at sea. They began to suffer from bleeding gums, and their bones became weak. Once they added lemons and limes to their diet, the sailors became much better. Why do you think that is? The lemons and limes provided them with vitamins that they were missing. All right. Here we have vitamins and food. Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits gave the sailors that vitamin C that they needed to keep their blood vessels, gums, and teeth healthy. Vitamin C also helps build tissue to fight germs. That is why your mom or dad might give you extra orange juice if you feel like you're catching a cold. If you aren't a fan of citrus fruits, broccoli and tomatoes are also good choices to make sure you are getting enough vitamin C. Oh my gosh, what does he have now? Letters of the alphabet, like the letter C, are used for many vitamins. There's vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C's, D's, and E, and so many more. Vitamin A is important for healthy skin and helps you see more clearly at night. Dairy products, carrots, and dark leafy greens contain lots of vitamin A. There are many different B vitamins: vitamin B1, vitamin B2, and vitamin B3, and so on. The B vitamins, found mostly in meat, help the body perform lots of different functions or jobs. For example, B12 helps make red blood cells. Vitamin D, found in fish and egg yolks, help build strong bones. Most of the vitamins you need come from vegetables, fruits, and grains. All vitamins are essential in small doses or amounts. If you have a healthy diet, you are probably getting all the vitamins you need. All right. Okay. He has toothpaste. Let's find out why. Fluoride is a mineral that is often added to public drinking water. It is contained in some toothpaste and mouthwash as well. This is because fluoride helps prevent tooth decay. That means when your teeth break down, not your baby teeth, but your grown up teeth. Your body needs small amounts of different minerals, such as fluoride, to help perform certain body functions. Besides fluoride, other minerals include calcium, sodium, and iron. You can help your teeth and bones stay strong by eating foods rich in calcium. Milk, broccoli, and almonds are good choices. Sodium, found in table salt, bacon, and lots of soup broths, helps regulate the body's fluids. Then again, too much salt is not good for you. It causes the body to hold on to too much fluid, which can cause high blood pressure. If you feel weak, look pale, and get tired easily, you may need more iron. Eat more red meat, whole grains, and beans. Iron helps carry the oxygen throughout the body and helps the body fight infections. Each one of these minerals provides important nutrients for your body. As with vitamins, you can get most of the minerals you need by eating a healthy diet. That's what we will talk about in the next time we meet, the best foods for you to eat. Alrighty guys, great job listening to Nick Nutri and him teach you about all the nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. I'm going to pull up your quiz in a second, and I'm going to go over the questions with you. But for right now, let's jump into our word work of the day. Our word work of the day, remember, I'm going to say it and you're going to say it. It is essential. Essential. Good job. Essential means that it's absolutely necessary. You may hear this word a lot right now because we have divided up our community into essential workers and non-essential. Essential means that they are absolutely necessary. So we need to be able to go to the doctor, so they're essential workers. We need to be able to get food from grocery stores, so grocery store workers are essential. We need to be able to get mail, so post office workers are essential. That means they are absolutely necessary. Do you think that singing songs is essential? No, it's fun to sing songs, but it's not something that is absolutely necessary. How about eating chocolate? No, chocolate is yummy, and if you are in my class, you know that Miss C loves to eat chocolate, but it's not essential for my body. How about sleeping well? Yes, that is essential to staying healthy. I need to get a good night's sleep so I can stay healthy. How about drinking water? Yeah, that is also essential. I absolutely need that in order for my body to stay healthy. Remember, Nick Nutri said you can only live for 1 week if you don't have any water. Lastly, reading books. Yeah, reading books is not essential. While they're very good for your brain and they can help you learn and become smart, it's not essential for living. All right, you guys, what word have we been working on? Essential. Good job. Okay, I'm going to pause this very quickly while I get your Google form pulled up, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. So I am back with your quiz. Let me share my screen with you once again. And I'm going to go over the questions with you so that you kind of know what to expect when you get in there. The title of our quiz is Nutrients because that was what we learned about today. The directions say this. Listen to the read aloud for Domain 10, Lesson 7. You're listening right now. Already got that part done. And then complete the quiz. So you have to complete the quiz in order for me to give you credit for today's lesson. So make sure that you complete the quiz. If you have any questions, you can always hop on to office hours at 11 a.m. and I'll answer any questions. All right, first one's easy peasy. Just tell me your name so I can give you credit. Next one, what are the 4 main nutrients our body needs? All right, I'll give you a hint. What are the 4 main nutrients? This is one, water. Then we have carbohydrates, protein, and fats. So those are the 4, water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Alrighty, what nutrient gives your body the most energy? Is it water? Is it carbohydrates? Is it protein? Or is it fat? Which nutrient gives your body the most energy? Next one. What vitamin do we get from citrus fruits like oranges? So we learned about the different vitamins that we can get. Which one do I get from citrus fruits like oranges? I'll give you a hint. It's right in this picture. Which ones do I get from citrus fruits? And you're going to tell me our vocabulary word for today. Is it mineral, fat, water, or essential? And the last one says, what is something that is essential to stay healthy? One thing that our body needs that is absolutely necessary or essential to stay healthy. Alrighty, guys, I'm just going to jump back and I thought I was, there we go. Alrighty, just having some technical difficulties. So guys, that is our lesson for today, all about nutrients and the things that our body needs to stay healthy. I hope you enjoyed learning about all the things that your body needs, and I hope that you think about it next time you go to the kitchen for a snack. Think about making sure that you're getting enough water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Remember, you only need a little bit of fats now that you're a little bit older. Babies need a lot. But I hope you enjoyed it. I've loved teaching you about it, and I can't wait to learn of our next lesson where we learn about all the foods that give us these nutrients. So for now, make sure that you get your Google form done, and I can't wait to talk to you soon. Bye, guys.